I'm Paul Cresswell. I'm the Associate Director of Quality Governance at North Bristol NHS Trust. So we're currently implementing Radar, so we're not at the end point. So what I'm going to talk about is our journey so far, why we've chosen to partner with Radar, but also beyond that, what it is we're trying to achieve and how we're trying to bring quality and the governance of quality, which is really complicated in big organisations, how we're trying to make that easier for everybody to navigate, but especially people at the front line. And I've just found it really difficult. And when the CQC come and inspect us, they pore over everything, as you know, and you're just trying to say, what is our story? What's our narrative? But not just that, how can I prove it? How can I demonstrate it? And then in the day-to-day, how can we use data to make a difference? And I've just found that almost impossible at times. And it just strikes me that we've spent so much time trying to work out what the data is or trying to manage the governance process, that by the time we get to the end of doing all of that, you're exhausted. So all of our systems at the moment, they don't generate or drive action. They count stuff and they force you to put things that you're doing off system into a database that we created in-house or an Excel spreadsheet over here or another IT system over here. And we've probably got about 6 or 7 different systems at the moment, some that we created in-house, some that are off the shelf, but they're not integrated and they just don't tell a story. And finally, they don't drive any action. I've been looking for a long time for something that joins all of this together in a way that our current systems don't. So that's been really important, that the partnership approach has felt real to me. And as I say, I'm not here to sell a system, but this is what I've been looking for, is a company that is committed to working with the change, because we know that how we look at governance and how we look at quality and quality improvement today will be expanding and moving and changing. I want a system that can grow and change as new things come out that are imposed upon us, but also we think about more intelligent ways of doing things ourselves. That's where partnership and innovation is really key. And at this stage, I'm really pleased with the way our conversations are going and the way change is kind of co-designed. I think that's the key thing.